Hi, Josh from MDT Customer Support. Today we're going over the installation of swapping the head interface out on our CKYE-POD Gen2. With changing out the head mount, the disassembly and reassembly is the same process. Today we're going to be swapping out the ARCA interface with the Picatinny interface. What we're first going to do is remove the outer set screw plug. And then the inner set screw plug. From there, we'll be able to just pull the ARCA interface right out and pop the pan tension screw out of place, and then also the wave washer. But definitely want to make sure you don't lose the wave washer when reinstalling. Before reinstalling the new head, make sure to clean off any residue and use a dry lubricant such as Hornady One Shot before reinstalling. We're gonna grab our Picatinny head interface and re-grab the wave washer and the pan post, and you'll notice the divot on the pan post itself. We're gonna make sure that faces towards the barricade stop. Like so. Drop that back on the body, and you want to go ahead and apply pressure like so to the pan post itself. Grab your first inner plug and rethread that place, which you will feel it start to pull the head interface in line. Take your outer plug and thread that in place. And that's just gonna be hand tight. With the inner plug, you wanna make sure you get that to 55 inch-pounds, and with the outer plug, hand tight will work just fine. And from there, you have your new Picatinny head interface that you swapped out. Thanks for watching.